Bingo Cash and Rewarded Play are both built around playing games for rewards, but they work in completely different ways. Bingo Cash uses competitive bingo tournaments, while Rewarded Play gives you points for playing participating mobile games and redeeming them for gift cards. By the end, you'll know how each app makes money, how payouts work, what you can earn, and which one fits you better. Start with Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash is part of Papaya Gaming's cash tournament platform. Eligible players can enter bingo competitions and win based on their tournament performance. You can also play without depositing by collecting free gems and using them in gems tournaments or the free roll tournament. O Papaya Supporton Bone. P1 The big difference is risk. Cash tournaments can involve an entry fee, so Bingo Cash gives you the possibility of winning actual cash, but also makes the result dependent on your performance. Papaya says cash tournaments are available only where cash gameplay is permitted. And eligibility starts at age 18, or the applicable age of majority. O Papaya support and what? Unsoon. Withdrawals also have specific rules. Papaya says there's a minimum withdrawal amount, and a withdrawal processing fee, and withdrawals are processed within 14 days. Although players usually receive funds within 2 business days. A Papaya supportant reach. Now, compare Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play doesn't use paid bingo tournaments. Instead, you discover participating mobile games, play them, earn points, and redeem those points for gift cards. Its current website says it has 150 mobile games, 40 gift card branching, and has paid more than $40 million to players since 2019. Available gift card brands include Amazon, Target, Walmart, and Sephora. Rewarded Play 4A. Rewarded Play also gives you a very different earning structure. You're not trying to beat another player for a cash prize. You're completing qualifying game activity and building a reward balance over time. Its current website advertises a first $5 gift card within 48 hours, although the exact time required depends on the games and offers available to you. Rewarded Play in 4C. That makes the comparison simple. Bingo Cash has higher competition and potentially higher individual prize opportunities, but cash tournaments can involve entry fees and winnings depend on performance. Rewarded Play has lower financial risk because its core model is free gameplay for points and gift card rewards rather than paid cash tournaments. There are also location differences. Papaya lists specific countries and states where Bingo Cash tournaments are available, so check eligibility before depositing. O Papaya support on faith. If you want competitive bingo and the possibility of cash prizes, Bingo Cash is the better fit. If you want to play mobile games without entering cash tournaments and redeem points for gift cards, Rewarded Play is the simpler option. Neither app guarantees a fixed hourly income. Check the current tournament rules, reward requirements, and withdrawal terms before spending time or money. The short version is Bingo Cash for competitive cash tournaments, Rewarded Play for free gameplay and gift card rewards. Like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.